let's look at this question, right? This is one of the PYQs from CBSE, previous year questions. Okay, so what do they say? An AP consists of, AP is arithmetic progression. The moment they say AP, you need to basically get going with the formulas which you know. So an AP consists of n terms whose nth term is 4. Okay, so what is the general term for AP? We have that an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, you need not write a, you can use a also. A signifies the first term in that particular series always. So what did they give you over here? They told that the nth term is 4. Okay, so they gave this one as 4, nth term as 4, and they did not give us the a. We don't know the first term, leave it as a, plus we don't know what is nth n. Okay, leave it like that. And what is the difference? And the common difference is 2. Okay, so what do you get over here? You get a equation in a and n. So leave it like that. So we will resolve that and leave it like that. Okay, so you have, if I write it, a plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 4, or I can write it as a plus 2n is equal to 6. This is one equation for me. Okay, now let's go to the second part of it. If the sum of n terms of AP is minus 14, they are saying that if the sum of n terms of AP is minus 14, then find n. Okay, what do you have? Sn is equal to n by 2, the general formula, plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, and they have given that the sum of n terms is minus 14. Let's put it. This is minus 14. I don't know n. We don't know n, right? They are always saying that we have to find n. So leave it like that. N by 2. I don't know a as well. So I'll leave it as 2a, plus this is again n minus 1. And I know the difference from above, right? The difference is 2. So I'll put it 2 over here. Let's go ahead and resolve this. What do you get? You have a, okay, so you have a 2 common over here. So this 2, this 2, this 2 gets cancelled. You have minus 14 is equal to n times you have a plus n minus 1. This is what you get, and this is your second equation. So if you look at it, right, there are two equations over here. You can substitute the value of a over here and go ahead and solve it. So let's do it. So here I can do a is equal to 6 minus 2n, right? And I'm going to use that one over here. So minus 14 is equal to n times a is 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1, right? You get a quadratic equation. You'll get a quadratic equation when you solve this. Look at it. So minus 14 is equal to, this is 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus n. So it is 5n minus n square. This is what you get. 5n, 5 minus n. So 5n, yes. So now if I bring this one over here, n square, I'm going to bring it over here. Minus 5n plus 14 equal to 0. So what do I get over here? Okay, when I go ahead and solve it, right, I get n minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equal to 0. So I am getting n minus 7 and I am getting n plus 2. Okay, so n, I am getting two values over here. I get n equal to 7 and n equal to minus 2. This is not possible because you cannot have negative number of terms. So this is not possible. So your n, so there are 7, they asked you to find out n, we have n equal to 7. Got it? Okay, so the first part of the problem is solved. Now they are asking us also find the sum of the first 20 terms. Okay, they are asking us to find the sum of the first 20 terms. So you have the value of n. Let's go ahead and calculate. Okay, before proceeding further, right, you would be needing a. Let's go ahead and put a is equal to 6 minus 2 times 7. So it is 14. So 6 minus 14 is minus a. So A, the first term in the series is minus 8. Look at it. So now they are asking us to calculate the sum of 20 terms. So it will become, so if I write it like this, let me write the formula plus n minus 1 times d, right? This is n. Now they told that calculate the sum of 20 terms, means n equal to 2, n equal to 20. 20 divided by 2, 2 times minus 8 plus n is 20 minus 1 times 2. Open up, this becomes 10, this becomes minus 16, 20 minus 1, 19, 19 into 2 is 38, so plus 38, okay, is equal to, this becomes 38 minus 16 is 22, 22, right? Yes, 22. So 10 times 22 is 220. That's your answer. So this is how you're going to do it, okay? So the main thing is that you need to use those two formulas. In all problems of AP, you're going to use those two formulas and do the problems like this, okay?